What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacey and I'm back. Baby, I said I'm back with another YouTube video, and if you're new to my channel, hello. Every return subscriber, what's up? Alrighty guys, so if you guys are feeling this look, we're giving you very much halo vibes. Y'all know I love doing like a natural glam, maybe 1-2 shadow looks, but y'all, I gotta get y'all feet wet a little bit. We gotta show y'all how to blend in and put in the shadows and everything, okay? Wait, hold on, let me slow the video down so y'all can actually see the look. So if you are excited and you are feeling this look and you want to see how I achieved it, keep on watching. But before I push y'all over, before I push y'all on the clip, put the new clip on, let me just say thank you guys so much for all the love that I've been receiving. I love you guys so freaking much. I have been going through some really tough times lately. I'm not gonna get too much into it, but I have to be honest with you guys. You guys are my family. A close friend of mine, my homegirl, her boyfriend actually passed away, and it was a very traumatizing like kind of event that happened, you know, just seeing her go through that, and you know, me just being by her side, it's a lot. This happened a couple of days ago, so you know, it's just timing is everything right now, and I'm trying to like stay strong and like, you know, keep recording and keeping my spirits up, my energy up, but like it really has a weighing on me. So before I flip the script and we get into the video, we get into everything, I just want to say we are not promised tomorrow, so whatever you want to do it, okay? Do it with your whole heart in it. Just do it. And for the people that you love, tell them, you know. I know it sounds cliche, you're here to watch makeup, you're not here, y'all know I love preaching to y'all, I love venting, but you know, just, man, yeah, I love you guys. Okay, let me not get all sad and emotional right now, but yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and just get into the video. So today what I'm gonna do with my makeup is I want to do a halo eye, and the reason I want to do a halo eye is because one, I haven't done it in like a very long time, and I'm actually signed up for this course, and it's on Online Makeup Academy. It's like this master program, and with that they have like this whole like this whole modular about like halo eyes, and it made me feel like, okay, I want to do that. Like I could do a quick little halo eye for them today. So I'm gonna be using the Juvias Place palettes. I actually had a comment and one of my subscribers, they told me that they wanted me to do like kind of like a green kind of like makeup look, but like a dark green. So like I'm thinking of like playing with these colors. I have bought this palette. This is the Nomad palette. I bought this probably like a few weeks ago and I never used it. Y'all know I'm obsessed with these palettes. So I did kind of like throw that in there, that I'm, you know, excited to do this halo eye due to this, you know, online makeup program that I'm taking. It's called Online Makeup Academy. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about that a little bit more. So this video is sponsored by them. They did go ahead and contact me, and when I say I was super excited to work with them, because I feel like it's just a perfect fit for my channel, and I'm gonna get into why that is in 1 second. But before I get into that, let me just tell you who Online Makeup Academy is. So Online Makeup Academy, basically they're just like it's like a virtual beauty school, okay? If you're like an aspiring MUA and you know you want to become a certified makeup artist, you know, you can take courses from the, you know, company called Online Makeup Academy. So the reason why I just feel like they are just such a perfect fit for my channel is, not too long ago, you guys know, like I was, you know, stressed out, you know, going through life or whatever, and I really just didn't know if I was gonna be, you know, doing YouTube. And I had got this comment, and y'all, I cannot remember what her Instagram name was, but if I'm not mistaken, I feel like it was called like Red Skies or something. So she had like DM'd me and she was just like, you know, drop your video, like, you know, a lot of us like look up to you, like we're aspiring makeup artists. And when she said that, guys, I don't know if I'm like a little bit slow, but like I always assumed like my subscribers were just like regular girls that just kind of wanted to like do better with their makeup, like, but for their self, like personal makeup. I never thought that it was like MUAs, like aspire, like I'm an MUA too, like y'all MUAs out here, like I ain't know that. Where I'm at with makeup is 6 years in the making. It took me a very long time to get confident with makeup and get honestly as good as I am now, in my opinion. And I can't lie, I feel like if I had something like Online Makeup Academy, I would be so much further sooner. But I definitely understand everything happens for a reason. Keep in mind, I'm not trying to sell anybody anything. I just want to tell you guys personally how it's working for me. And I know that for somebody watching this video, it's something that, you know, they've probably been thinking about trying, if they already knew about it. And if not, it, you know, possibly just really could be a good fit for you guys. So I take the master course, and basically in the master course, they teach you multiple things. They teach you about like skin shapes and they teach you about skin types and face shapes and different textures, and it teaches you, you know, like regular stuff like eyebrows, or, you know, after COVID, like how to be like a clean, like one of the major things that like I was very interested in learning is one, they have a course, not a course, but like they kind of have like a modular on like working with mature skin, or, you know, bridal makeup. And I thought that was like just super duper like cool, because those were like the three things that I feel like I needed help with when I was doing makeup is bridal makeup, 1, mature skin, 2, and color matching. Working with mature skin, like, because I feel like personally, because I'm younger, a lot of times like my clients end up being around my age, maybe a little younger, maybe a little older, but for the most part they're still like around my age. So when I do get like my clients that would have mature skin, I can't lie, like it threw me in for a curveball, because it is very different. And I love that Online Makeup Academy has like a modular on that. Another thing that I love about them is they have like this kind of like even after you graduate, like you kind of get lifetime like help from them. Like you can always like, you know, get in contact with your instructor and they would always like, you know, give you help. And then the 2 perks that just had me sold, 1 is gonna be the fact that you can get 40% off getting like a pro card for makeup. I have so many foundations, I'm not even gonna show you all of them. All of this costs money, okay? All of this costs money, y'all. This is money, okay? And I just love that I can get up to 40% off of big brands like Beauty Blender, NYX, they had Anastasia Beverly Hills, Nigel, they had I can't even remember all of them, but there's like so many brands that I can get up to 40% off. That's just like so necessary and so unbeatable. Like I literally live for it. And then also when you complete it, you guys get a makeup kit. Y'all, this is like full of makeup. I have all this makeup on my table, all this makeup in my travel kit, and it took me years and years to build that. And it would have been very, very nice and helpful to start off with a makeup kit and, you know, just build off of that versus starting from ground zero. But there's a lot of perks with them, and I feel like if this is something that you feel like is aligned with you and you're, you know, you just been feeling like you need to do better with your makeup, girl, go ahead and check out Online Makeup Academy. I will link everything down below, okay? So yeah, they have inspired me to do this halo eye, so let's just go ahead and get into this halo eye. So I'm gonna take the Nomad palette by Juvias Place, and this is hard, y'all. Oof, this gonna be, I'm nervous. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this green shade right here. You guys know what I love to tell you guys, like you do not have to stick to like the same palettes I use. Just find any palettes that have similar colors. So we're gonna go with that shade right there, and we're gonna just put that in my crease. But yeah, I'm just gonna pack that color in. Ooh, I think this is gonna be a pretty look. My hair is from Arabella. It's their skunk stripe wig, and I just feel like because it's like browns, I feel like browns and greens just go together so well. So after I pack that color on, I'm just gonna go ahead and take circular motions and blend those 2 colors together. Y'all, I was like, I'm telling you, like, y'all know I'm not the one to really be doing eyeshadow looks. You guys know I love me a natural glam, but when I was doing my makeup course, I'm like, okay, I haven't heard of a halo eye in a minute. I don't know if it's just me, but I just feel like lately, like the girls have just been into like natural glams, soft glams. Like no one's really like playing in makeup as much as they used to, like back in like 2016. So when I saw that, I'm like, oh yeah, we gonna do that. We gonna do that for the girls on the channel. We're gonna go back into this palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this dark, looks like a brown. I'm gonna take that dark brown and we're gonna take it into the crease. So yeah, I'm just popping that into the crease. And y'all see I'm like literally pushing it into like my eye socket. And then I'm gonna go back in with the brush that had the green on it, and I'm just gonna smoke out like the edges of my crease so it's not too harsh. All right, so we're looking crazy. Give it raccoon, but let's keep going. Just taking this green here and we're gonna put it on the lid. Take that green and put it on the lid. Y'all probably already have this, but make sure you guys pick this up from the dollar store. This is like what you can use. I'm gonna use the same brush that had that dark color, but you know, it cleans the product off the brush, so like it's not mixing product. So this is the color, like these are the two colors we're gonna use to create the halo. It's this shimmery green and then the shimmery kind of like champagne color. We're gonna take the shimmery green first. Let me see. I want to do champagne. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do the champagne. The champagne's gonna hit. So we're gonna do the champagne color, but typically these type of products, those type of colors, they need liquid to really activate it. So I'm gonna take that flat brush and I'm gonna spray a setting spray on there, and then we're gonna take that champagne color. Yeah, you guys see how like that color popped on. Little beauty tip I learned years ago, but I'm literally just gonna like pop that in like the center of my eye. I'm bringing it up a little bit into my crease, but like I'm not putting it too heavy. It's kind of like blended a little bit. I don't know why this is reminding me of like a Disney princess. I don't know if it's like Princess and the Frog. I don't know why, but like the sparkle is like so Disney to me right now. So I just did my quick little wing liner, and then oh, I was about to use this. Yeah, I bought some new products. Let me show y'all the product. Okay, so we have the Holy Hydration. This is their daily moisturizer from e.l.f. It has hyaluronic acid, jojoba seed oil, and then vitamin E. So I got this. I'm super excited to try this out, like period. And then also, y'all, so you guys know the milk, what is it called? It's like the milk, I used to have it, the milk like grip primer, but y'all know like everybody used to love that primer, but they said that the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer is a dupe for it, so I ended up getting it. So let's go ahead, we're gonna use that today. Today we're gonna give the girls hydration, something different. So the smell of this smells like, it does have like a fragrance smell. Kind of reminds me of like flowers, some type of perfume. Y'all, I'm living for this eye look. Do you guys like it? I love it. When you put anything on your skin when you're doing makeup, you want to give it like a few seconds before you put the next, so you're not just mixing it in. But like I wanted to let the moisturizer actually absorb into my skin, and now we're gonna go in with the primer. But one thing I like with the primer, so sticky. Like y'all see that? Y'all see my face sticking to my hands? Like that's what we need. We need that primer to be sticky, so that foundation gonna stick. Ooh. I feel like if you don't smack your face like that when you're putting on primer, are you really putting on primer though? For foundation, we're gonna switch it up. I know I never do it, y'all, but I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty hydration foundation, and this is gonna be in color 345. For today's like foundation look, I don't want it to be like too much. I want to give like nice and like skin finish, like light coverage, light to medium coverage, not really like a full coverage glam. And then also I am rubbing it in with my hands. Usually I like only use like brushes or sponges, but just let you guys know, you guys can do it with your hands too. And I'm gonna just take a brush and just push it into my skin. For my concealer, I'm gonna use color light beige, and this is like low-key like a white in a way for me, like it's super duper light. But I want my under eye to like really pop. Like I don't want no confusion. I want my under eye to be like very, very popping. And then everywhere else we'll just lightly conceal, not really focus on anywhere else. I just want my under eye to give. Y'all don't understand. I literally just spent 10 minutes trying to fix my freaking camera. Like my camera was just acting up. Y'all, I'm so sorry. My concealer under my eye is probably dry, so I'm gonna just stretch it out. I'm gonna just blend out this concealer. Y'all see, I really want like that brightening effect today. Y'all, like I already told y'all it's so late, and that setback was just crazy. Okay, and I'm gonna just lightly set everywhere else we apply concealer. Today I'm a bronzer instead of contouring. I feel like this makeup look, I just want to like be a little different, because I feel like y'all love my makeup, but I feel like I could easily just do the same thing over and over and over. So I'm gonna try to switch it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take black shadow and black liner and line my waterline. I'm gonna line my lips with just a brown that I got from the hair store. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face with my Kiss Matte Finishing Setting Spray. Love it. All right, you guys, so while that dries down, I'm gonna go ahead and just pop on my lashes right quick. I'll be right back. So one thing about me, I feel like green goes so good with pink. So instead of doing like my regular, y'all know my favorite lip combo, today I'm gonna try out the Black Radiance lip gloss. This is, let me see if it has a color. It's in color Pink Haze. So I lined my lips with the brown liner, and I'm just gonna take Pink Haze. I feel like it's a pinkish kind of purple, and I'm just gonna use that in the center of my lips. And I look crazy, but that's the best way to mix your lipsticks, like pat it together. You can mix, like rub a little bit, but for the most part, pat. And then I'm gonna just go with a clear gloss right on top of it. And then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty highlight in Mo Honey, and then we're just gonna highlight. Yes, y'all, so it's very much giving. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go ahead and just brush my hair out and show you guys the final look in one moment. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of this video. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this halo eye, this makeup look. This makeup look was super easy. The halo eye was super easy. Thank you so much for Online Makeup Academy again for sponsoring this video and motivating me to do this eyeshadow look. I feel like this is gonna look good on me. Well, it looks good on me, and I know it's gonna look great on my subscribers. So thank you guys so much for, you know, sponsoring this video today. Like I told you guys, to my subscribers, my family, my team, I am not here to sell you guys anything, okay? If anything that I bring on this channel, it is something that I feel like is aligned for both of us, and I feel like it's beneficial. So if I feel like it works for me, I'll give it to you guys, and you guys do what you want with it. You know what I'm saying? I know that there's a few MUAs that watch my channel, and if you feel like you need that extra oomph, you need to go to beauty school, this is an alternative option that I wanted to bring to you guys and tell you guys that it works for me, so it could work for you. Guys, that every time we get on this video, I love y'all. You guys make me so freaking happy. Every time I'm down and like my spirits are low, I just start responding to you guys YouTube comments. You guys are just so sweet, and I just love you guys. I love you guys so much. So if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and comment the green heart emoji, because it's giving very much green vibes. Okay, period. I love you guys so much, and cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.